is not super fast. The passing lane is to the left, or the fast lane. The lane to the right is slower moving. So I'm in the middle, keeping good space, taking my time, checking mirrors. It's pretty good to check those mirrors. I'm gonna get this one adjusted a little bit better. You should be able to see more now. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna show you how I make another lane change. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot, accelerate through the lane change. There's another semi-truck, 4 blind spots, left side, right side, front and back. Don't hang around semi-trucks. Your windshield will get broken, a tire could explode. Now it is heavier traffic in the morning. I can drive in the left lane as long as traffic is moving. But for educational purpose, I'm gonna go ahead and make a lane change to the middle lane, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Lane changes are very smooth. They're effortless. You don't want to jerk the wheel. And in theory, traffic should be over to the middle lane or the first lane to keep the passing lane open to the left. When you're driving, you want to be predictable. It takes up to 10 years to learn how to drive. I know you're saying, man, I've only been driving 1 or 2 years. I know. There's so many things you have to learn and do, and it can be very overwhelming. That's why I encourage you to look at my content, look at my series, because I break down every element. See them coming over, that's okay. It kind of caught me off guard, but that's why you don't want to be in the right lane, because you got this slow moving traffic. And you're gonna see this blue car, they're gonna have to go faster because they're in the left lane. I try to drive with speed, space, and a smile. I try to have good speed. I have pretty good space, and I definitely have a smile. It's Wednesday. Everything's pretty smooth. The warning signs tell me it's a sharp curve to the right, so I want to be mindful. I'm going to make a lane change to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, and I'm going to show you how much more of the speed difference it is. You can see me passing these vehicles, and once I pass this semi truck, I'm going to get back over to the middle lane. I can drive in this lane, but you're going to have cars riding you really hard, making you go faster than you want. So when I see the semi truck in my mirror, I'm going to get back over, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, and now I'm back in the middle. You also want to look ahead for brake lights. Like this vehicle behind me, they're just coming really fast through, so you got to be mindful of that. The #1 reason why people speed is because they're late. I'm lifting my foot a little bit, things are nice and smooth. The vehicle has to cut over because they're in a hurry. You can literally see it, but they're the most dangerous. And you see all those brake lights. So I'm off my gas. This really chilled, keeping good space, because if I panic stop, I'm gonna get rear-ended, and that's a crash. Keeping good space. Certain points on the expressway, it's very slow traffic. This is one of these points. You can see all the traffic just going to almost a crawl. So I tell my students, be predictable. I should be able to predict what you're doing, when you're doing it. I am a state certified driving instructor. So